Sowing Sweet Cicely for the second time this year. The earlier footage was filmed the wrong way up on the phone. I'll put a wee shot of that so you can enjoy it. So when I'm putting the Sweet Cicely seeds in, I put them kind of flat end down, so there's like a pointier end to it. So they go in that way. Now Sweet Cicely needs like a cold period of stratification. We're sowing these in February, so we may or may not have enough cold period left. It's been quite a late winter here for us on the east coast of Scotland. The way you can counter that is if you sow your seeds into a really sandy mixture. This is about 80% sand, and then you just keep popping that in the freezer and keep letting it freeze and thaw out, freeze and thaw out. Obviously you cover this top bit with cling film, and that you can do that for a couple of months, and that should give you a kind of artificial stratification for them. So that's two different ways of sowing your Sweet Cicely. Right, so today we're going to be looking at Great Mullein, which is not only an interesting plant for its looks, and it's got a nice year-round kind of appeal to it, with these lovely fluffy leaves, but it's also something we use medicinally. We use it for coughs and chest infections and things like that, but it's got a whole host of other medical benefits which you'll find online. The parts of the plants we're going to be using medicinally are the leaves and the flowers. As mulleins are biennial, it will flower in its second year. Now to grow it, we just sowed the seed at the end of the summer, July, August time, and planted it out. And as you can see, it's established itself, ready to flower next spring.